Deputy Chief Minister ubadi pe jakatana District Council Affairs uba President Tensong ule saja ki kato kat neki rai ban penjelane ka samoy trei kam jong ka KHADC bat jong ka JHADC sahnriu benai kat ba ukam ba ki shifting jing pen poi kloya ka election kat kum ka jing ong uba President Tensong kila sha ya lamba kala da ka 6 schedule bat ki kendon ki ong baulat ula ban penjelane ka por jong ki ADC hamig halaya ladami ka jing long jing man palat eka khatar banai.
See why the government has to extend for another 6 months. Why not only 3 months? I think public may ask this question. Why not 3 months or 2 months? Why should they extend for another 6 months? Let me just clarify here. We are being guided by the 6th schedule, by the AD rules, and the 6th schedule itself says that the governor can always extend the normal term of the district council in Meghalaya when the situation arises that he has to do that. Then he can extend not more than 12 months, meaning not more than 1 year. So the last extension we made only for 6 months, and again this is the second extension for another 6 months, and this second extension done only after all the details of schedule for the election of these 2 district council has been prepared, has been calculated. In the newspaper, some writing came out, some statement came out that government is scared to face election in these 2 FD selection of this council. They are scared of this party, that party. Let me tell you one thing: it is not because of that, but it is because of the long process where we need to follow. We have to do. Therefore, extension is inevitable.